Pam 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 teren teren. Hi, my name is Muhammad Daniel Aiman bin Muhammad Rafi. I'm from DKM. I'm study at Polytechnic Banting, Selangor. Today, I want to share the comparison that exists between the Panasonic Turbo Dry and Philips Thermoprotect of hair dryers. Ching ching ching. Okay, on the left, this is a Panasonic Turbo Dry. On the right, this Philips Thermoprotect. Okay, firstly I go to power. This power is more power than this Panasonic because the power is 2100 watt and this only 1000 watt. Okay, for speed, it is only 3 speed selection, allows flexibility drying. Okay, but this is only have seats 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Have a 6 this speeds. Okay, next both of this product uses the same voltage, is 220 to 240 voltage. Okay, next about nozzle. Okay, for this nozzle is have styling 14 millimeters nozzle, but for this don't have a nozzle. Okay, this dryer only for hot dryer, and this have a blow dryer and hot dryer, and this have a cool shot. Okay, next the color is this is blue and this high gloss matte black. Alright, for the advantage, this is more easy carry and storage, but this is almost used at saloon. Alright, that's all. Thank you. Mwah.